This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ty Crespi. This home has a great floor plan. New vinyl plank flooring. AC is 2018. Large kitchen with breakfast bar. High definition FORMICA counters with backsplash, stainless steel appliances. Oversized laundry room. Plantation shutters. Split bedroom floor plan. Barn door into master bedroom off the formal living room. Master bathroom has double sinks with garden tub and separate shower. Large family room off the kitchen. White vinyl fenced backyard. Screened porch, and has an additional pavered patio area. Hurricane shutters. Close to street. John's Heritage Parkway, so just minutes into Melbourne. For more information, review the details below.